Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert same header all pages in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to insert the same header. Go to the insert menu, select the header and footer option. Now we can see here show the all pages at once. You want to add header and footer, select this add header option. Then write your header text. Now I am select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the home menu. Increase the size of the font. You can apply in the bold, otherwise change the color or add more style. Now I am select the footer option and write my footer text. You want to add this footer into all pages, automatically added this. You can add data and showing the header and footer. Then we go to the view menu and click the normal option. Then we can see we add header and footer all pages easily. You want to make sure this, go to the file menu, select the print option and check the preview. We can see here the header and the footer. Now we can see we insert same header all pages in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.